life, we all face opposition. Challenges and obstacles that seem impossible to overcome. But what if I told you that opposition releases opportunity? That the very things holding us back can propel us forward? It's true. When we embrace opposition, we unlock our true potential. The power of opposition can be seen all around us. The setbacks that lead to breakthroughs. Failure became the fuel for success. Adversity became the catalyst for innovation. It's through opposition that we discover our strengths, our resilience, and our ability to create meaningful change. So, the next time you face opposition, remember it's just an opportunity in disguise. Welcome to the Opposition Releases Opportunity series, where we explore the remarkable stories of individuals who turned their challenges into triumphs. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and prepare to reap the knowledge and practical application from the sermon series.